Starting your own cleaning business can be a great way to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and take control of your financial future. However, it can also be a daunting task if you don't know where to start. In this video, we'll provide you with some detailed and long tips on how to start your own cleaning business. Do your research. Before starting any business, it's important to do your research. Find out what types of cleaning businesses exist in your area and what services they'd offer. Research their pricing and their target market. This will give you an idea of what you can offer and how to position your business in the market. One important consideration is to determine what type of cleaning services you will offer. Will you focus on residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, or both? Will you specialize in specific types of cleaning, such as carpet cleaning or window cleaning? Answering these questions will help you determine your target market and set your pricing. Create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals, your target market, your services, your pricing, your marketing strategies, and your financial projections. A business plan will help you stay focused and organized as you start and grow your business. Your business plan should include the following components: executive summary, a brief overview of your business and your goals; company description, a more detailed description of your business, including your services and target market; market analysis, an analysis of the market you will be operating in, including your competition; marketing and sales strategies, a description of how you will market and sell your services; operations, a description of how your business will operate on a day-to-day basis; financial projections, a projection of your revenue and expenses over the next few years. There are many resources online that can help you create a business plan, such as the Small Business Administration website. Register your business. Once you have your business plan in place, it's time to register your business. This involves choosing a business name, registering with your state, and getting any necessary permits and licenses. You may also need to get insurance to protect your business from liability. When choosing a business name, it's important to choose a name that is easy to remember and reflects the services you offer. You may also want to consider registering a domain name for your website. When registering with your state, you will need to choose a business structure. The most common structures for small businesses are sole proprietorship, partnership, and limited liability company. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that is right for your business. Set up your office. Setting up your office is an important step in starting your cleaning business. You'll need to purchase equipment such as cleaning supplies, vacuum cleaners, and other tools. You'll also need to set up a system for tracking your expenses, invoices, and payments. Consider using accounting software such as QuickBooks to help you manage your finances. In addition to purchasing equipment and setting up a system for managing your finances, you'll also need to set up a system for scheduling and managing your employees. Consider using scheduling software such as When I Work to help you manage your employees' schedules. Hire employees. If you plan on growing your business, you'll need to hire employees. You'll want to find people who are reliable, trustworthy, and have a good work ethic. You may want to consider offering incentives such as bonuses or flexible schedules to attract and retain good employees. When hiring employees, it's important to follow all applicable labor laws and regulations. This includes paying at least minimum wage, providing workers' compensation insurance, and following all applicable develop your marketing strategy. To get your cleaning business off the ground, you'll need to develop a marketing strategy that will help you reach your target market. This may include creating a website, using social media, placing ads in local newspapers or online classifieds, and networking with other businesses in your area. Your website should be professional and easy to navigate. It should include information about your services, pricing, and contact information. You may also want to include testimonials from satisfied customers to help build trust with potential clients. Social media can be a powerful tool for reaching potential clients. You can use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share information about your services, post photos and videos of your work, and interact with your followers. Provide excellent customer service. One of the keys to success in the cleaning business is providing excellent customer service. This means being responsive to your clients' needs and concerns, being reliable and punctual, and delivering high-quality work. To ensure that you are providing excellent customer service, consider creating a system for getting feedback from your clients. You can do this by sending out surveys or by simply asking your clients for feedback after each job. It's also important to train your employees to provide excellent customer service. Make sure that they understand the importance of being reliable and punctual, and that they know how to communicate effectively with clients. Stay current with industry trends. The cleaning industry is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay current with industry trends and best practices. This may include attending industry conferences, joining professional organizations, and staying up to date with the latest cleaning techniques and equipment. You can also stay current with industry trends by reading industry publications and following industry experts on social media. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and provide the best possible service to your clients. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Finally, it's important to set realistic goals for your business and to track your progress towards achieving those goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards growing your business. When setting goals, be sure to make them specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, you might set a goal to increase your revenue by 20% over the next year. Then, track your progress towards that goal on a regular basis using metrics such as revenue, customer satisfaction, and employee retention. Thank you for watching this video on how to start your own cleaning business. I hope you found the information helpful and informative. Starting a cleaning business can be a great way to become your own boss and build a successful career. Remember, it's important to do your research, create a solid business plan, and provide excellent customer service in order to succeed in this industry. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on starting and growing your own business. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.